In this video, I'm going to show you how to merge companies in HubSpot. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to your dashboard, and then over here on the left, you want to hover over CRM and you want to go to companies. Now, the first thing you then have to do is select the company that you want to keep. So for me, I'm just going to keep this HubSpot over here, and I'm actually going to merge it into this one, which is then not going to be available anymore. So this one is going to be the primary one. I'm going to click on it. And then from here, when you click on a company, you want to go to Actions up top, and you want to click on Merge here towards the bottom. From here, you want to select the record, which is going to be the company you are trying to merge this with. So this one's going to stay, and then I'm going to go and pick this one as well over here. There we go. And then from here, it's going to allow you to basically select which of the different properties you want to keep. So we can click on that, just like this, or whichever one you want, and it's going to show you the merged record preview on the right, which is quite convenient. So then you can just select the properties which you want to keep. I'm actually going to keep all of these as they are, but of course I could go and switch them if I wanted to. And then when you're ready, simply click on merge at the bottom, and that's really all you have to do to merge companies in HubSpot. If I now go back, as you can see, there's only one company, and it is HubSpot because I've merged this with the other one over here. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.